In a world that's constantly rushing, sometimes all you really need is a quiet corner of nature, a cup of coffee, and a cozy place to unwind. That's exactly what the Freedom Tiny House promises. A beautifully designed, mobile retreat that brings together comfort, style, and functionality, all for just $57,500. Built by Lusk Tiny Homes, an Australian father and son duo with a passion for compact living, this single-level tiny house blends architectural sophistication with minimalist design to offer an ideal weekend escape. It's called Freedom for a reason. It's meant to move with you, offering flexibility and peace wherever you choose to park it. Let's start with the structure itself. Measuring 6 meters long and 2.4 meters wide, the Freedom may be small, but it doesn't feel that way. Why? Because of its high ceilings, up to 4.2 meters, and the clever use of large windows and glass doors, which flood the interior with natural light and connect the living space with the outdoors. It's like living inside a modern cabin that feels open, bright, and airy, even in a compact footprint. The Freedom Tiny House offers one main enclosed space, the bathroom, tucked behind a stylish sliding door that matches the kitchen countertop for a clean, balanced aesthetic. Inside, you'll find a full-size vanity, an optional eco-friendly toilet, and a generously sized shower that feels more spa than camper. The bedroom and kitchen share an open-concept layout, but clever design keeps things feeling separate. A tall, full-height pantry acts as a divider, doubling as either kitchen storage or a wardrobe. The bedroom area features a queen-sized bed positioned against a huge rear window, creating the illusion of sleeping right in the middle of nature. That bed also transforms into a daytime bench, perfect for lounging with a view. Moving to the kitchen, you'll find premium touches throughout. Custom cabinetry with fingerprint-resistant laminate gives it a sleek, modern look, while integrated space for a mini fridge, microwave, and large sink keeps things functional. Another oversized window ensures you won't be staring at a wall while cooking. Instead, you'll be connected to your surroundings. But the real magic happens when you open the bifolding glass doors. These lead directly into the kitchen area, connecting the indoor space with a small exterior deck, transforming the entire area into a seamless indoor-outdoor living zone. Whether you're entertaining, dining, or just soaking in the scenery, this design adds an immersive layer to your weekend retreat. Inside, the vibe is warm and welcoming thanks to birch plywood interiors with a clear natural finish. Outside, WeatherTech's cladding ensures durability even in rougher climates like Victoria and Tasmania. Add in features like a ceiling fan, continuous flow hot water system, roller blinds for privacy, and dual-axle galvanized steel trailer, and you have a smart, durable, and stylish mobile home built to last. Even with all of these premium features, the base model of the Freedom Tiny House is just 92,000 Australian dollars. It's perfect for individuals or couples looking for a weekend getaway, and it's also a smart choice for entrepreneurs wanting to add a boutique rental to a farm, winery, or retreat business. The best part? It's truly mobile. Lightweight, compact, and towable, the Freedom Tiny House can move with the seasons or with your lifestyle. Whether you're setting it up as a permanent guest house or chasing the best weekend views, this little architectural gem is designed to elevate the tiny home experience without breaking the bank. So if you've ever dreamed of owning a stylish, self-contained escape that brings nature to your doorstep, the Freedom Tiny House might just be your perfect match.